Howdy everybody, and welcome back to our GameMaker Studio 2 Fundamentals. Today we're going to talk about DS maps. DS maps are another type of data structure along with the list and grids that doesn't use a grid-like structure for its creation. Instead, it uses key pairs. So let's see what this would work like. So ds underscore map underscore create. Give it a text value, so text underscore map underscore is equal to ds underscore map underscore create. And in the map, we can store our values as key pairs. So we want to say text underscore map underscore question. We're going to give it a new value here. So let's say hello is equal to hello world, and text underscore map underscore question goodbye is equal to goodbye world, and we're not going to bother with the other one for now. This would allow us to, if we use the hello or the goodbye keyword, it will get us the hello and the goodbye message. So if we come back over here into our draw event, Control K, and let's say text map underscore hello, and don't want this in there either. There you go. We can display hello world. And if we change this to goodbye, it'll display goodbye world. So you might be wondering, okay, well, when would I want to use a map in this case? Well, sometimes it's nice to be able to key your data because let's say you have a chest in your room. So you have a chest that you want to know whether or not the player has already opened it. So you can take the chest position, and you could take its room that it's in, and you can make these into a keyword for the chest information about whether or not it's been opened or not. And then when the player goes into the room, you can load that information from a load file, not covered in this tutorial, and then you could use that information to set that chest value of whether or not it's been opened or not. And that would be one way to use it. Another way would be as save information. So you can have the keyword health in there, and then that value would be equal to 4 or whatever. So you would know that so you could save the fact that your player's health is 4. So there's a lot of great places to use a DS map. However, because they are using a key value rather than a grid value, they are slower than the grids and or lists. So anytime you can use a grid or a list, you should probably use that as opposed to a map. But maps do have their place, and they're very useful. And again, we need to clean it up. There we go. So everybody, thank you very much for listening, and I hope you have a great time programming. Good luck.